Okay, so what we're doing here is reflowing a NVIDIA card that came out of a Dell XPS. So no matter what the card is, video card, uh, PCI Express card, mini PCI Express card, or a whole entire motherboard, the process is still the same. So what we're going to do is reflow this one and then apply the thermal compound like we always do, and put it back together and set it to go. The card alone was the only thing set, so uh, this is the only thing that we can do with this one as far as working it at all. Is we just heat it up and get everything going, and then just make sure that it's reflowed and ready to go. So we're actually reflowing it like we always do, and that'll be that. Okay, so our card has been reflowed, and uh, we've got our thermal compound on our heatsink here. As with all of them, remember that a pea-sized amount is probably all you need to get coverage, because what you're trying to cover is the actual black portion, not the components off to the side. So what we're going to do is let this cool down and then put it back together, and that'll be that. We'll call this one complete. This is it on this one.